How to list and sell digital products on TikTok. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can list and sell digital products on TikTok. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on TikTok Shop, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is TikTok Shop, it is a revolutionary feature that integrates e-commerce capabilities directly into the platform, allowing users to seamlessly discover and purchase products from within the application of TikTok, in which it provides access to TikTok's vast and growing user base, which presents an incredible opportunity to reach new customers and expand market reach. And now, to start listing and selling digital products on TikTok, you could also see on the website panel under these products, in which there is no directly inputting a products in here on TikTok or selling the digital products, since in order to do that, we're going to use an application or install an app in here. And to do that, just go on the left side panel and kindly click this app store on the left side panel, and it will show you on the right side panel some of the options that you can start navigating. We have different kind of categories such as Shopify, Lazada, Shopee, AliExpress, and many more. And as you can see, I just choose Shopify. From here, you can install some of these applications such as CJ Dropshipping, SAP Dropshipping, and many more. Now to proceed to our Shopify store, from here, if you go to our products, from here we can directly sell a specific kind of digital products depending on our preferences. As you can see in here, I'm currently selling an ebook on this online store. And since on TikTok Shop there is no directly way to sell a digital products, we're going to use this platform Shopify in order to do so. So from here, if you go to your Shopify and add products, you could also customize other details, including your title, description, and even edit your inventory details in here, or the amount of quantity of your digital products that are available to sell. So basically, we're using this Shopify in order to direct our customer in our TikTok Shop when they try to purchase or buy the digital products that we're selling on our Shopify store. And now to start, just go back to this page right here and kindly click Add New Product. Now under this basic information, we firstly need to create our own digital products. So for instance, we're going to use the platform called Canva. From here, we could also start creating a different kind of templates. For example, I'm going to create a digital products of PowerPoint presentation upon searching for a specific template. From here, we can simply choose different kind of template we want to customize. And by simply clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed or show us on this pop-up window. Then click Customize this template to proceed. And after that, we'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, we can now start customizing this template to make it our own style and also layout in here. And as you can see, I'm currently renaming the name of this file. And you can also use on the left side panel some of the editing tools in order to customize your digital products in here with your elements, text, and many more. And let's say you're now done customizing your digital products or your PowerPoint, just click the share button on the top right corner and click this download below. And we have here the file type that we can choose to download. We have here PowerPoint to simply download the whole file. And after that, we could also download a specific kind of pages in here that will serve as the cover photo in our TikTok Shop basic information. So from here, as you can see, I'm just going to download a specific page in here, which is this first page, in which it will serve as the cover photo in our products or digital products that we offer or selling on our TikTok Shop. And after successfully downloading this product, just simply upload it by clicking this local file button. Then just wait for the image to be uploaded in here. And after that, it will show you in this pop-up window that you could also change the size of the image into 1x1, 4x3, or 3:4 layout. And after that, just click this done button below here to proceed. Now moving on, going back in here, you'll now be able to see that the product image has now been uploaded. Now below under this product name, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter the product name. For example, I'm going to enter here PowerPoint template aesthetic brown. But you could also add different kind of product name depending on your preferences in here. However, make sure that the product name that you enter is considered as the product or digital products in here, so that the customer will not be able to confuse whether you're selling a physical kind of product or digital products. After that, below, just choose the categories in here, which is, if you search on kind of categories such as digital products, you'll not be able to see here those kind of categories. So at this point, I'm just going to choose this one, which is digital and smart pens. Now moving on, aside from that, below here, you could also navigate or choose your brand here, we have here different kind of brands that you can enter. And below under these product attributes, you could also type or select if this product has a warranty or the warranty duration of it. And after that, below here under this product description, you could also manually enter the product description here. Or alternatively, you could also use this AI generated product description by simply entering here the name of your product. But make sure that it is detailed in order for this AI to generate an accurate description of the product that you're selling. And as you can see, since we're selling a PowerPoint template, I'm going to enter here digital products, which is PowerPoint template for low price, which is aesthetic. And after that, we can now proceed by clicking this generate button below here or right here to proceed generating a description for us. Then below here, you will be able to see the suggested product description. We have here affordable, aesthetic, and no warranty type since we're just selling a digital products. And now to use this AI generated description, just click the skip button to proceed. And from here under this description, you could also enter here an additional context for your customer why they try to purchase on TikTok shop. For instance, I'm going to enter here to avail this, visit our Shopify store. Then you could also input here the name of your store or even the link of your Shopify store, so that when a customer try to purchase this digital products, they will be aware that they should visit our Shopify store in order to purchase that kind of digital products. So from here, you could also go to your Shopify store and kind of copy your online store link, but make sure that you also upload here or add your products, which is your PowerPoint presentation. Now from here, just simply paste the link in here. And upon pasting the link below here, you could also add video. But moving on, under this sales information, you could also enter the retail price for these digital products and also the quantity that you can offer and also your SKU in here. Now under the shipping, from here, you're required to enter here the weight of the package, which is in unit grams. However, since we're selling a digital products, we're not required to enter here some of this information. However, it is required since there's no directly way of inputting or listing digital products in here. So just for the sake of this video, I'm just going to input here some of this information. And to proceed, just click the submit for review button on the top right corner. However, there's an error occur since it says here that the content of product description contains a prohibited words, which is this link in our Shopify store. So at this point, in order to avoid this kind of error, we could also start pasting not the entire link of our Shopify online store. And now to proceed, just click the submit for review button on the top right corner in order to start selling these digital products in our online store in TikTok. So basically, since there is no directly way to list and sell digital products on TikTok shop, you could just simply message every customer that will purchase your digital products that you offer on your TikTok shop and let them directly to your Shopify online store to purchase the digital product that you're selling. So basically, you can also still use the TikTok in order to direct the customer to your Shopify store. So overall, that is just basically how you can list and sell digital products on TikTok. Thank you.